When it comes to dust control, there's only one system that really cleans up. Introducing the all-new Hilti Vacuum VC40 UE, the perfect combination of power, versatility, and coverage. When tested side by side with other vacuums, the Hilti difference is noticeable almost immediately. A longer 20-amp power cord and robust hose mean fewer trips to the plug. We put in new filters and pitted these contenders head-to-head while cleaning up several pounds of concrete dust. Hilti blows the other vacuums away with high, consistent suction power. The internal cleaning mechanism thumps 3 times, clearing dust out of the filter every 15 seconds. The other vacuum's filter mechanism operates less and at 30-second intervals. The slowest vacuum struggles to finish, its filter clogged with debris. Hilti offers the versatility you need with the ability to plug directly into the vacuum, the ultimate tool system solution. Plus, you won't find 2-year no-cost warranty coverage with any other vacuum. The Hilti VC40 UE is one system that leaves other vacuums in the dust.